Hey guys, welcome back to Coffee with the Crazywiglady. All right, today, I just wanted to sit and talk about wigs for a few minutes today. I recently did a video on my channel showing the wigs I bought on clearance from Wig Studio One. By the way, I'm wearing my Raquel Welch Untold Story in Fiery Copper. I love this wig. I have it in several colors. If you are looking for something that is very similar to Upstage, look at Untold Story. Anyway, I did a video that was showing the wigs I got on clearance from Wig Studio One. First of all, I'm going to tell you all the wigs I'm going to show you are those wigs that I got on clearance. And if you haven't checked that clearance section over at Wig Studio One, you're missing out because they update it almost daily. There are some wonderful, wonderful buys there. And I check it almost every day. And I have gotten some incredible wigs, and I want to show them to you a little bit in case you didn't see that video that I did recently, and I was just going to kind of go into a little more detail. I want to show, and then I'm going to show you some products that I enjoy as well after I show you these. So first of all, I want to show you this Raquel Welch. It's called Orchid, and the color is SS Champagne. I thought this color is so pretty. Now, if you want to see these on, go look at that video. It's called Wig Haul, I believe, and it was just recently posted. And at the end of that video, I show all these wigs on. But this is such a pretty long style. You can see it still has the tags on it. This is a beautiful style. I had not ever tried this, I do not believe. Y'all keep in mind, I've done over 500 wig videos. I can't remember all of them, but I do not think I have done this one. But look at this mono top and lace front here. It is so gorgeous. It has that memory cap, which I like. This really does mold to your head, but I thought this was such a pretty wig. Let me know on any of these if you've tried them. What color do you have? Did you like it? Give me your thoughts. But when I tried this one on, I really, really like this. This is such a pretty color. There is some gold in here, of course. It says champagne, and then it has a lot of blonde highlights there. And the shading, the rooting is done very well on that style, I think. So I was thinking that was a score there. Actually, all of these are a score. I was so excited. Sometimes you go on that clearance section and you'll be surprised at what's there. So just be sure to check that out. I got, now this one, this is a wig I got that I wanted to try. I have a friend who has this wig and she is absolutely adorable in it. I'm telling you, absolutely adorable. Me, not so much. But you know, that's the whole thing. Not everything is for everyone, right? But I saw this on clearance and I thought, okay, I'm gonna try it. So it is the Orchid collection by Renee Appear's Attitude and Burnt Chili. Look at these curls, oh my gosh. It's adorable. It does not work for me. But if you are a person who loves curls and is looking for a curly wig, just have a look at this one. It has a lace front, and there's definitely some permatease going on here, of course. That's that extended nape. But this color is so gorgeous. Look at this color, burnt chili. I might have to try this in another style, but I want to try this color again because I just think it's beautiful. I think the color is beautiful, and I love this style. I wish I could wear it. I wish I could wear it because it is so fun. I really do. But not for me, but they're not all for us, right? I mean, not every wig we put on is for us. And I think that's what I like about wig reviews, is that I can show you everything. I really want to show you as much as I can. Variety, color, everything, with you knowing that I don't think every wig I put on my head is for me. And that is the truth. I honestly know that. But it wouldn't be fair to me to only show you wigs that I thought looked good on me. I think that is the most unfair thing. I want to show you everything. Take me out of it. I want to show you everything that's available, and you can decide what you think might work for you. I picked up Noriko Carrie and Maple Sugar R. This was a surprise. I was happy to get this. y'all excuse me, there's so much going on in the neighborhood. People are mowing their yards, my wind chimes are going, so that's just how it is when we're on the back porch, right? Look at this beautiful wig. I'm going to do a full review on this one. I like it so much. I love Noriko because I like permatease. However, this does have a basic cap. There's no lace front or anything on this wig. And there is some permatease here. Now, as we've talked about before, my view of permatease and your view of permatease are going to be completely different. I like it. The bigger the better. However, there are so many people who like none. So if you don't want permatease, this is not your wig. This is not your wig. But it does not have as much as some I have tried for sure. But look at this. Again, this is Carrie and the color is Maple Sugar R. This has some beautiful highlighting in it. I love these waves. Nice wig. I do not think I've ever tried that one before, and it was a real surprise, and I can't wait to do a full review and really get into the color on this wig and show you more about it. I also got a couple of Gabor styles. I like Gabor wigs. I got Everyday Elegant in Rusty Auburn. Rusty Auburn for Gabor. I love it. They have really did that color, in my opinion, very well. This one has a lace front and a mono part. It's open wefted. It has an extended felt nape. Look at this color. Look at the highlighting around the face. Fun shape. I like this little spiky back. That's always something I enjoy. But this is a nice, cute little style. So if you're looking for something like that, have a look at this one. Again, new to me. I've not tried it. Everyday Elegant. I'm definitely going to do a full review on this one as well. And I love this color. Again, Rusty Auburn. Good job, Gabor, with that, for sure. Then I got a brown gray. I got a Gabor Spirit. I've not seen it before. And the color is brown gray. I have never reviewed this color, I don't think. Don't hold me to it. I could have. Like I said, I've done over 500 videos now, so it could have been done somewhere in there, but I'm going to do it again. And this style is so cute. Spirit. Summer style. Basic cap. There is some permatease in this. Just a basic cap. Open wefted. It has an open extended nape there. And this is the color they call brown gray. So that's a fun little style. I like those little out-of-the-box summer styles. I really do. I like something I can just take out, throw on, and I'm out the door in just a few minutes. Now, what I thought was a huge score here is I got Belletress, Amaretto, and Tressallure Blonde. I had not seen this color, and I was dying to see it. So when I saw this on the clearance section, I snapped it up. Beachy waves. So, I mean, it's the year of the beachy wave, right? So I picked it up. It has a lace front and a mono part. How cute is that? And look at this color. Now this is blonder than Butterbeer Blonde. In my opinion, it's lighter, it's blonder. But wow, this Tressallure Blonde is just beautiful. So pretty. Okay, now let's just take a few minutes and talk about some product I like. Now, I really like this Tressallure Wig Wax. I use this a lot. As you know, on my wigs, the first thing I usually do is spray them with some water or some kind of styling product. I like this because it does not create much of a buildup. You can use it several times in a row before you wash the wig. It's light. I like that. I'll give this one a little spray, see? And I'll just use it to separate the fibers out a little, get some movement there. I think it's a beautiful product. The wig wax, very good. Now, HairuWear also makes one called Curl. And I like this too. On some wigs that it's an anti-frizz spray, they say, but on some of my wigs that are curlier, I will freshen them up with this. When I put them on, I'll spray this on it and scrunch it through. I think this is a nice product. I have people ask me all the time what hairspray I use, and I always use the HairuWear Control. I love this stuff. Love it. It is all I use. Now, you know, many times you've seen me, I want to get something off my face. I will do it just like that, spray the top of it, and I am good to go. I love this hairspray. I hope they never quit making it because it is definitely my favorite. I also use the Estetica sea salt spray. I think this is a great product. It works, again, kind of like what I did with the wig wax. Just put it in, scrunch it just a little bit, separate those fibers, create some movement, kind of makes a textured look. Sea salt spray if you haven't tried it. But by far what I use the most of anything I use is plain old water. I still, every wig I put on, the first thing I do is spray it with some water. Do just like this. You've seen me do it a million times in my videos, and I will just, I want to see what I'm working with. I want to separate the fibers out a little. And so for me, that does that. It helps with flyaways. I just don't think everybody needs a spray bottle of water when you're working with your wigs. Okay guys, this was short and sweet, I know today, but I kind of want to do this more often and not wait so long in between videos. So maybe next time we'll talk about some more makeup. I have a bunch of new makeup. We'll talk about that, maybe some fashion, but probably always stick to something about wigs. And I hope you're enjoying this. Leave me lots of comments. Tell me if you love these coffee chats. And I love being back here on the porch with you in more of a casual situation. So thanks again, and stay tuned because there's lots more to come. I'll see you next time.